My fellow Jamaicans and residents all, as the year draws to a close, we share with people all across the world the Christmas promise of peace and goodwill among us wherever we are. This year, Jamaica has had its share of unrest, anxiety, and other social turbulence which have been occurring within and across national boundaries, and of which we are reminded every day. But our history of resilience and our traditions of religious faith and individual courage continue to inspire us to press on with gratitude for the blessings we enjoy and the confidence in the prospect of a brighter future. We cherish the season of Christmas as a special time to celebrate what is truly joyful and positive in our experience. We recognize and focus on the true meaning of the season, which is to bring hope into our lives and light to shine on darkness. So let our celebrations, therefore, be centered on humbly serving each other, not only in our families, with friends and neighbors, but also those whom we know are in need. Let us remember to be peaceable in our dealings and conversations with each other, to uplift and affirm each other, and stand together to protect everyone in our communities, at our workplaces, and places of worship. Let us also use the celebrations of the season to build bridges of forgiveness, tolerance, and understanding, and to create partnerships to ignite hope and comfort to those who may be sad or lonely. We must continue to commit ourselves to nurturing a nation family in which our people, especially our children and the elderly, can feel safe, and our citizens can amicably live, work, and create the preferred future that each one desires. My fellow citizens and well-wishers, as you enjoy the merriment of the season and bask in the filial bonds of love, do not forget to be safe in your homes and exercise your best judgment as you travel on the roadways. And may the love of God inspire all of us to walk humbly before Him and humbly before all humanity with reverence and respect. Lady Allen joins me in wishing you and yours a safe, happy, and peaceful Christmas holidays. And may God bless you all, and may God bless Jamaica, land we love.